Hi dear students, in this session we have to discuss about our chemistry syllabus semester 1. In here we have two main parts, inorganic and physical chemistry. Here we have totally 5 units in first semester. Let's see what the units we have. In the first unit, inorganic chemistry, chemistry of P block elements. So here group 13, group 14, group 15, group 16, group 17 we have to discuss here. In this session we have mainly in group 13 preparation and structures of diborane borazine, and in group 14 preparation and classification and uses of silicones. In group 15 preparation and structures of phosphonitrile halides. Here we have to discuss only n is equal to 3 and 4. In group 16 oxides and oxo acids of sulfur, only structures. Okay. Here last finally in this unit pseudohalogens and structure of interhalogen compounds. Coming to the unit 2, chemistry of D block elements. Here total discussion about the D block elements: electronic configuration, valency state, magnetic properties, catalytic properties, ability to form complexes and stability to form oxidation states, various. Okay. And the second part of unit 2, chemistry of F block elements. Here also same like similarly D block elements, oxidation state and magnetic properties. Okay. And the next extra we have to discuss here lanthanide contraction and actinide contraction, what are the consequences, and electronic configuration and comparison between lanthanides and octanides. Finally, in the second unit, third part is theories of bonding in metals. So here we have 3 theories are here, mainly valency bond theory, free electron theory and band theory. And also here explanation of thermal and electrical conductivity. Here last finally conductors, semiconductors, insulators we have. Okay. So these 2 units are belongs to inorganic chemistry. Okay. We have totally 5 units. 2 units belongs to our inorganic chemistry, and the next upcoming 3 units are belong to physical chemistry. So let's see what are the units we have in the physical chemistry. So here coming to the physical chemistry, first unit is in physical chemistry, our third unit. Okay, totally continuation process, third unit, solid state, symmetry in crystals, law of constancy of interfacial angles, the law of rationality of indices, and law of symmetry, Miller indices and lattice point, space lattice, unit cell, Bravius lattice, crystal systems, X-ray diffractions and crystal structures, Bragg's equation, and stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defects. We have these topics in solid state. Okay. Coming to the fourth unit, we have 2 main parts, gaseous state and liquid state also. First one is gaseous state. Here in gaseous state we have main topics here, van der Waals equation state, Andrews isotherm for carbon dioxide, and critical phenomena, relationship between critical constant and van der Waals constant, and laws of corresponding states, Joule-Thomson effect and inversion temperature. Just we have to know what the topics we have in the units. Okay. So second part of our fourth unit is liquid state, liquid crystals, mesomorphic state and the differences between liquid crystals and solids, and classification of crystals into somatic and nematic, and applications of liquid crystals as LCD devices. Finally, fifth unit is we have 3 parts, solutions, ionic equilibrium and dilute solutions. In solutions, what are the mixes here, azeotropes, HCl and H2O system, and ethanol and water system, and miscible and immiscible liquids of phenol water system, and critical solution temperature, and Nennes distribution law and partition coefficient, and finally applications of distribution law. And the second sub is ionic equilibrium. ionic product, common ion effect, and solubility of product, and the next calculation based solubility product. Next finally dilute solutions, very easy and important also, colligative properties. RLVP, that means relative lowering vapor pressure and osmotic pressure, elevation in boiling point and depression in freezing point. So here experimental methods we have to discuss here, and osmotic pressure and elevation boiling point, depression in freezing point, abnormal colligative properties, and finally want half factors. So we have these type of topics in our chemistry. So we have to discuss one by one topic.